Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I've just been and bought these lovely begonia picotees called. So just planting these today. Getting some first. And I'll show you what you get. If you've never grown these before, they're really simple, and I mean really simple. All you've got to look for to make sure you get them the right way up. If you look at that, it's sort of curved with a dip in the middle. So you want to put the bottom of the curve, the round bit, in the soil. So, just like so. Now, this one, you'll just feel it with your finger, it's got a dip in the middle there. Leave about an inch between them. This is only just to get them going. And as soon as they start to grow, I'll then put them, I'll then put them in separate pots. So 8 for £5, which I think is a really good deal. What you want to also do is, when you're buying them, is give them a good squeeze, make sure they're nice and firm. Any soft ones, do not buy. They're going to rot. So like this one is soft in places. So let's just break it up and let's look at it. As you can see, that no good, no good. Bin. That one's for the bin, I'm afraid. That's that one put away. Rest are fine. Yep. Here we go. So that's 6 in that tray, and I'll put 8 in the next one. So if you've got them in the tray like that, all you want to do is just get your compost and just fill up to the very edge of the tuber, like so. Try not to cover the tuber, try and leave the top of the tuber sticking out. Nearly there. Once this is done, that's it, just vermicompost around it, like so. Make sure they're well in. So let's have a look, which one is that? That's the begonia picotee, white and yellow. So you've got to trace out like that in the water, halfway up. You can see. Give them wood soaking from the bottom, preferably. As soon as they're well watered on a windowsill, like until they start sprouting, and then pot them up into separate pots or into your hanging baskets, whichever you're going to do. So that's my begonias. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you. Bye.